So this is the T formula, and it's a really useful formula in diving, especially for those of you who are about to begin on enriched air or deep diver training. You'll learn that when recreational diving, not to exceed a partial pressure, often written as PO2, of 1.4 in order to avoid oxygen toxicity. And this formula will help you calculate your PO2 for any given depth, as well as decide on an optimum gas mixture when planning your dives. So let's just have a quick look at the formula itself in this triangle and see what we've got. So at the top we've got PO2, that's your partial pressure of oxygen, and in order to stay safe we're going to keep that at 1.4. At the bottom here we've got pressure, essentially that's the depth at which you're diving. So 10 metres is going to be 2 because it's 2 atmospheres, 20 metres is going to be 3, it's 3 atmospheres, and so on. And over in the bottom right corner you've got your fraction of oxygen, and if you're breathing air that would be 0.21 because it's got 21% oxygen in it. So let's see this in action. We're going to plan a dive to 40 metres. We want to know what the optimum gas mixture is for that dive. So what you do is you cover up the part of the triangle that you're trying to work out. So we're going to cover up this bit here, fraction of oxygen. That's what we want to know. Okay, so what do we already have? Well, we know the PO2, that's 1.4, and the triangle, the formula, is telling us to divide that by the depth. Now it's 40 metres, so the depth is going to be 5 because it's 5 atmospheres. 1.4 divided by 5 gives us 0.28, and that is our gas mixture. 28% nitrox mix is the best mix for a 40 metre dive. If we just reverse engineer that to see it in action, we had, let's do it like this. So 40 metres, 5 atmospheres, multiplied by 0.28 gives us a partial pressure of 1.4. We're going to have a practice of planning a dive now. So let's say we want to do a dive to 32 metres. 32 metres, and we want to know what the optimum gas mixture is for 32 metres. Okay, so we're going to cover up what we want to find out. That's the fraction of oxygen. That's what we're trying to find out. What do we know already? So partial pressure 1.4. We're going to divide that by the pressure. So 32 metres is 4.2 atmospheres. Okay, 1.4 divided by 4.2 gives us 0.33. So the optimum gas mixture for a 32 metre dive, keeping a partial pressure of 1.4, is going to be a 33% nitrox mix.